Did you know that you can automatically sync your Interactive Brokers account and your TraderSync Trading Journal account? I didn't until recently, but I do now. Stay tuned in this video to find out how. Okay, so I just sat down for the morning session of trading here, and what I like to do every single morning before I get started is just take a quick look and review over the previous day's trades to see what I did good, see what I did wrong, maybe see what was going on in the market, just give myself a little refresh before the day gets started. If you guys don't know, I use TraderSync to track all of my trades throughout the year, and I'm going to be doing a lot more of showing you guys my TraderSync statistics and journal throughout the year here in 2023. If you guys haven't used TraderSync before, you can actually try it absolutely free for 2 weeks. There's a link down in the description below, absolutely free to try it out. I'm telling you, it's amazing. But in this video, we're going to talk about not all the features that TraderSync has, not everything that you can see and do with it statistic-wise, see how you're doing trading overall, track everything. We're not talking about that in this video. Today, we're simply talking about how to automatically set it up so that if you're using Interactive Brokers and TraderSync, it can be downloaded automatically with the click of one button each day. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the actual video that's inside the TraderSync platform itself. It explains to you exactly how to link your IB account with TraderSync. So stay tuned. We're going to watch that right now. It'll show you how to do it.
In the following video, we're going to learn how to connect Interactive Brokers with TraderSync. So the first thing you're going to do is to log in into your Interactive Broker account. Once you have done that, hover over this icon and click on it. Okay, click on Settings. Then under Account Reporting, click where it says Flex Web Service. This is going to open this window, and we're going to check this box, Flex Web Service Status. This box, once you check it, click on Save. This is going to generate a token, which is this number right here. You're going to need to copy that into somewhere in your computer because TraderSync is going to ask you to input this number, right? Once you have done that, you can click on Close to close the window, and then we're going to go back to Performance and Report. Okay, we're going to click on Flex Queries, and then under Activity, Flex Query, you're going to click on the plus signs where it says Create. Here we're going to type a name. In this case, myself, I'm going to name it V3 just because I have multiple creatives, but you can just name it TraderSync. And now we scroll down. Here we're going to select what we're going to make available for TraderSync to tap into. Okay, the first thing we're going to click on Account Information. Then you're going to select Account ID, Account Alias, Model, Currency. Once you have selected those four, you can scroll down and click on Save. All right. Now we select here Corporate Actions. Okay, click on that and then click Select All right here. Scroll down and click on Save. Okay, that's the second one. Now we're going to click on Financial Instrument Information, which is right here. We're going to click on Select All, scroll down and Save. Now we're going to click on Incoming and Outgoing Trade Transfers. This one right here. We're going to click on Select All, scroll down and Save. We're going to click on Open Positions, select all, scroll down and Save. Now we're going to click on Option, Exercise Assignment and Expirations. Click on Select All, scroll down and Save. Finally, scroll down, click on Trades. First thing you're going to make sure is that this is the only thing that you need to be selected. You need to have selected executions. Make sure this is not selected. So only this needs to be selected. Once you have that, click on Select All, scroll down, click Save. Now we're going to scroll down to this section here. In here, you're going to select the period. It's going to be the last 365 calendar days. Make sure it's nothing else, but it needs to be this specific one. General information, make sure everything is by default as we have it right here. This is the most important one, semicolon. Make sure the date format is as this, the time format is as this. Scroll down a little more and click on Continue. Okay, this is going to ask you to review what we have selected. Scroll down and click on Create. Now click OK. Now, final step, we're gonna need the last piece of information, which is we're gonna click on the pencil icon next to the flex query that we just created, which in my case was TraderSync V3. I'm gonna click on the pencil icon. And now you need to copy this query ID right here. You're gonna copy this and then you're gonna insert that into TraderSync. So a recap again, you are inserting into TraderSync the token, which we did on the first step, and then you're inserting the query ID.
Okay, so once you've got all that done, once you have the connection established between IB and TraderSync, you only ever need to press one button a day to automatically download and update everything inside your trading journal. This is going to grid all your trades, all your commissions, all your executions, everything that you need for your trading journal every day. So once you've reached that point, all you do is log into TraderSync. Then in the lower left-hand corner, under the plus button, this is where normally you would download a file and then upload that file from your broker if you use the import trades option. Well, now with the broker synchronization feature, all you do is click broker synchronization. It's going to automatically come up with your interactive brokers account that you linked. Latest trades should be in there, and all you do is hit import trades. So now if we go back into the dashboard, into the main journal, you're going to see those two new trades have automatically been populated into my TraderSync, and then I can do whatever I want to do with them as far as assigning a setup or however you guys track your trades in TraderSync. So it's going to automatically take it from where it was before, download it into your journal, update all your stats overall. You can see I started it fresh for 2023, which is why I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of the stuff for this year. So these are all my trades for 2023 so far. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy, makes life really simple. You can then go into any of the trades that you downloaded from IB in TraderSync and take a look at that individual trade itself. You can see all the entries, you can see the chart, everything that you might be interested here on the trade itself. So there we go. You can see the actual executions there, and then you can scroll down. You can see the chart from yesterday, just like it looked, originally on the screen. There's the short, and there's all the covers. Oh man, I didn't even see Futu went down that far afterwards, but hey, all good. So that's how you do it. If you want to link your IB account, synchronize it with TraderSync so that you can get everything in one click of the button, make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe on this video, and I'll see you next time.